Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the timeless wisdom of Italian proverbs and sayings.
Ciao a tutti e bentornati sul nostro canale. Oggi approfondiremo la saggezza senza tempo dei proverbi e dei detti italiani. Dove c'è fumo, c'è fuoco. Dove c'è fumo, c'è fuoco.
Where there's smoke, there's fire. Where there's smoke, there's fire. This suggests that rumors or suspicions often have some basis in truth.
Chi non fa nulla, non fallisce. Chi non fa nulla, non fallisce.
He who does nothing, does not fail. He who does nothing, does not fail. This encourages action and effort.
Meglio un giorno da leone che 100 da pecora. Meglio un giorno da leone che 100 da pecora.
Better one day as a lion than 100 as a sheep. Better one day as a lion than 100 as a sheep. This encourages bravery and taking risks.
I panni sporchi si lavano in casa. I panni sporchi si lavano in casa.
Dirty clothes are washed at home. Dirty clothes are washed at home. This advises against airing private grievances in public.
Gli abiti non fanno il monaco. Gli abiti non fanno il monaco.
The clothes do not make the monk. The clothes do not make the monk. This highlights that appearances can be deceiving.
Amor di madre. Amore senza fine. Amor di madre. Amore senza fine.
Mother's love, endless love. Mother's love, endless love. This celebrates the boundless love of a mother.
L'abitudine è una seconda natura. L'abitudine è una seconda natura.
Habit is second nature. Habit is second nature. This stresses the power of habit in shaping behavior.
Il lupo perde il pelo ma non il vizio. Il lupo perde il pelo ma non il vizio.
The wolf loses its fur but not its vice. The wolf loses its fur but not its vice. This highlights that some habits are hard to change.
Chi dorme non piglia pesci. Chi dorme non piglia pesci.
Who sleeps does not catch fish. Who sleeps does not catch fish. This emphasizes the value of effort and diligence.
L'occhio del padrone ingrassa il cavallo. L'occhio del padrone ingrassa il cavallo.
The master's eye fattens the horse. The master's eye fattens the horse. This suggests that oversight and care are beneficial.
Dolce far niente. Dolce far niente.
The sweetness of doing nothing. The sweetness of doing nothing. This celebrates the joy of relaxation and leisure.
Chi ha tempo, non aspetti tempo. Chi ha tempo, non aspetti tempo.
Whoever has time, don't wait for time. Whoever has time, don't wait for time. This encourages proactive action.
Tutto il mondo è paese. Tutto il mondo è paese.
The whole world is a country. The whole world is a country. This highlights the universality of human experiences.
La gatta frettolosa fece i gattini ciechi. La gatta frettolosa fece i gattini ciechi.
The hasty cat made blind kittens. The hasty cat made blind kittens. This advises against rushing or making hasty decisions.
Dove c'è amore, là c'è patria. Dove c'è amore, là c'è patria.
Where there is love, there is homeland. Where there is love, there is homeland. This emphasizes the importance of love and belonging.
Il fine giustifica i mezzi. Il fine giustifica i mezzi.
The end justifies the means. The end justifies the means. This explores the ethical dilemma of achieving a desired outcome.
Chi cerca, trova. Chi cerca, trova.
He who seeks, finds. He who seeks, finds. This encourages persistence and exploration.
L'apparenza inganna. L'apparenza inganna.
Appearances are deceiving. Appearances are deceiving. This advises against judging solely based on appearances.
A caval donato non si guarda in bocca. A caval donato non si guarda in bocca.
You don't look a gift horse in the mouth. You don't look a gift horse in the mouth. This advises against criticizing or being ungrateful for something received as a gift.
Dio vede e provvede. Dio vede e provvede.
God sees and provides. God sees and provides. This expresses faith in divine guidance.
A mali estremi, estremi rimedi. A mali estremi, estremi rimedi.
Desperate times call for desperate measures. Desperate times call for desperate measures. This suggests that unconventional solutions may be necessary in dire situations.
Il silenzio è d'oro. Il silenzio è d'oro.
Silence is golden. Silence is golden. This highlights the value of silence and discretion.
Ma la erba cresce sempre. Ma la erba cresce sempre.
But the grass always grows. But the grass always grows. This reflects on the persistence of negative influences.
Lontano dagli occhi, lontano dal cuore. Lontano dagli occhi, lontano dal cuore.
Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. This indicates that people tend to forget what they don't see.
Il tempo è galantuomo. Il tempo è galantuomo.
Time is a gentleman. Time is a gentleman. This suggests that time eventually reveals the truth.
Non tutte le ciambelle riescono col buco. Non tutte le ciambelle riescono col buco.
Not all donuts come with a hole. Not all donuts come with a hole. This acknowledges that not everything goes perfectly.
Chi semina vento raccoglie tempesta. Chi semina vento raccoglie tempesta.
Who seeds wind shall harvest storm. Who seeds wind shall harvest storm. This warns about the consequences of one's actions.
Ogni scarrafone è bello a mamma sua. Ogni scarrafone è bello a mamma sua.
Every beetle is beautiful to its mother. Every beetle is beautiful to its mother. This emphasizes parental love.
La notte porta consiglio. La notte porta consiglio.
The night brings counsel. The night brings counsel. This suggests that problems may appear smaller after a good night's sleep.
L'amicizia è il sole dei poveri. L'amicizia è il sole dei poveri.
Friendship is the sunshine of the poor. Friendship is the sunshine of the poor. This highlights the value of companionship. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content.